With thousands of reviews and a 4.6-star rating, customers say this glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM collagen supplement really delivers on joint support. One review, M. Thomas, said it even helps her husband, a former athlete, recover after workouts. Across the board, people love that it's easy to take, made in the USA, and even FSA and HSA eligible, a huge plus for many. From super, awesome, and very good supplement to heartfelt stories of real relief, customers agree this joint support formula is worth it. Viewer shared that after just 2 weeks, her husband felt better than he had in 5 years, bending his fingers easily, moving without knee pain, and she even said, "This has helped my marriage in all ways." Kay Williams described it as a lifesaver, finding relief in both knees after struggling for months. Jim B. said it works as advertised, with pain-free knees again after 3 months. Others noticed results much faster. Nathalie F. reported her knee pain resolved within a week, and another customer said after just 5 days, their knee pain was almost gone. Reviewers highlight more than just knees. Mr. Review noticed improvements in his shoulder, ankle, and foot mobility, while Delilah